So hello everyone, this is Preetham Shah and welcome to our YouTube channel Cognitive Coders. I hope you guys are doing well. And this is our part 50 video which we are doing today. Okay, this is from McKinsey and companies. Uh, uh, in their company, what kind of data engineering question they used to ask, that we'll see and we'll try to solve. So today, whatever question we will solve, that is asked in McKinsey and company, one of the question in their interview. It's not this question only asked. Okay, don't don't take it wrongly. Okay, so they have asked multiple questions, and from there we have chosen. One of my friend has given this question as an example. Okay, so this question they have asked to solve it in SQL, but here we will solve it in PySpark. Using PySpark we will solve this problem. Okay, and I would expect that you guys will solve it using the SQL, seeing the logic, or if you want to make your logic, you can also use that. And after implementing that, you can comment on the video comment section. Okay, so that everybody can learn and everybody can understand. Okay, also I can also learn new logic and whatever you are solving, that also I can learn seeing from the comment. Okay, so let's go. So first we'll see what is the question. Okay, so they have given one table like that, topping name and ingredient cost. Okay, it's a pizza making thing. Okay, kind of. So what they have given a list of pizza toppings. Consider all the possible 3 topping pizza. Okay, and print the total cost of that. Okay, sort the result with cost in ascending order and break ties by listing the ingredients in alphabetical orders. Okay, starting from the first ingredients followed by the second and third. Okay, so basically what they want, they have given the ingredients name, the topping names for making the pizzas. Okay, so to they want to create pizzas using 3 different toppings. Okay, so that kind of that kind of that kind of ingredients making possibilities we need to make like this. So they want the output like this. So each and every using each and every in different ingredients, we can make the pizzas. At a time we will use 3 maximum ingredients only. Okay, we need to use, not maximum, we need to use 3 ingredients. Okay, so each and every time 3 different combinations of ingredients we will use, and based on this ingredient cost, we will take the we will take the cost of that pizza. So we will create the pizza using different ingredients. 3 ingredients at a time we need to take, and it should be different every time. Whatever possible combination we need to give them, and after that we need to calculate their cost based on the ingredient cost, and we need to sum up to get the total pizza cost. Okay, so this would be the question, this would be their expected output. Okay, based on that we'll solve this. Okay, so now what we'll do here, first we will, as we have only one table, first we need whenever using this one table, this kind of solution we need to perform. So only thing it is coming in our mind that we need to perform it using the inner join. Okay, so first of all they want us to get all the possible 3 toppings and print the total cost. So sort the result cost ascending order. So first of all what we will do, we will just first group we will first order by the toppings, order by the toppings. topping name. Okay, ascending order. So it is coming in the order. Okay, based on the ASCII value of each and every topping names. Okay, so whenever I am ascending it based on the this ASCII value of each and every strings, it has come on to the order. Okay, now what we'll do, now we'll perform our main activity. Okay, so what we'll do, we need to get this kind of this kind of solution. So when we will perform this the inner join of the same table two times, so this will come like this: one topping names, ingredient cost, second time topping names ingredient cost, third time topping name ingredient cost. And we whatever we will give the condition, based on that condition, based on that condition will be applied based on the ASCII value. So I am giving it, then you guys will understand. New df equals to df dot alias. First we will take as a t1 first df. Okay, dot join df dot alias t2. Okay, now what we'll do, now my joining condition would be t1 call t1 dot topping name, t1 dot topping name should be less than call t2 dot topping name. Okay, it would be like that. Okay, now, and we'll perform the inner join. Okay, now if I will print it new df, so how it will come, new df dot display, I will display it. Okay, how it will come, let's see. It will come like this. Okay, so pepperoni sausage. So sausage value is greater than pepper. Here it is coming all the t1 table. T1 means same df as we consider is as a t1. Here it will come as a t2 table. So we chose that t1 should be lesser than t2. So pepperoni ASCII value is lesser than sausage. So that's why it matched. So it came for chicken. All these values are greater than chicken's ASCII value, so that's why it came like that here. And extra cheese ASCII value is lesser than these two, so that's why it came like that, like this. Okay, so now now but they need three ingredients at a time. Okay, now if we will perform the concatenation, we will get the topping names two times, two topping names. Okay, two different topping names, two different combinations. Okay, but they need three topping names at a time. Okay, three topping names at a time, and they need different combinations. Okay, so for that, once again we need to perform the joining. Okay, so let's join dot join. Once again we will perform the joining. Okay, the same thing we'll do. I'm just copying it. Okay, so we'll perform the joining with the same df t3. Okay, and it would be t2 t3, t2 topping names lesser than t3. Okay, it's done. Now If we will run 1 second, let's see what are the output it is coming. So this is coming like this, the all three possible combinations it is coming. There are no duplicate combination. Okay, based on the ASCII value it has taken. Okay, now now we'll do one thing. For selection of this column, the column names are same, we will give them the different column names. Okay, for that how we will do the same thing, dot uh, select, we'll just rename the column names. Okay, select call t1 dot t1 dot topping name dot alias t1 topping name. Same thing, same thing we'll do for cost also, ingredient cost also. t1 dot cost would be t1 cost, like this. Okay, once again this is for t1, it is completed. Now we'll do for t2 and t3 also the same thing. Okay, t2 dot topping names, it would be t2, t2 ingredients, it would be t2, t2 means table 2. Okay, now once again for t3, t3, t3. Okay, t3, and here it would be t3. Okay, now if I'll just run it, this is I am doing for the as the column names are same, for better understanding and better selection of these columns, that's why I am doing. Now I am getting it correct naming convention. Okay, t1, t2, t3. Okay, now what we'll do, we got the combination. Now we just need to concatenate the topping names and sum up the ingredient cost for getting the pizza and cost. Okay, so now final df. Okay, final df would be equals to new df dot with column pizza, concat, we'll use concat ws. Okay, with string. So here here comma would be my with string, and we'll perform the joining, we'll perform the concatenation on topping names. So I need to give the name these things, the column names, topping name 1, topping name 2, topping name 3. Just need to change it, sorry. Okay, it's done. Now we'll once again same thing for cost calculation, we'll use with column cost, we need to sum up, call t1 ingredient cost plus call t2 ingredient cost plus call T3 ingredient cost, T2 and T3. Okay, now if I now I can print it, final df dot show, final df dot show. So here one thing we'll do, we will not as we are extending the new df with using the with column, will not show this earlier columns. Okay, so that's why we will select the only columns which we want to show, pizza and cost. Okay, now let's run it. How unexpected indent, let me use it. Like this, you whenever the question is coming, you need to you need to just understand in your mind that how to solve it. You need to take the approach and you need to try to solve, starting solving the things. The small approach you will think, and after that start solving it based on the complexity. Your mind will give you the logic that you can do like this. Okay, so here one thing, here it is not coming, so what we need to do, we need to use truncate. Truncate equals to 0. So once understanding the question, you need to you have to start solving the thing based on your approach. Okay, so now it is coming. Okay, so this was your expected output. Okay, and the same thing. Okay, so they want us to order the thing. Okay, uh, sort the result, ordering the cost as ascending order. You can just use the order by here, order by function dot order by. Okay, like this, ascending order. Okay, if you use just use it, cost. Okay, then it would come in ascending order also. So whenever we are seeing the question, we are thinking that questions are complicated or thing. But whenever we started with some approach, just think and this approach also it is coming whenever you are solving lots of question. Okay. Oh, it would be a descending order. Okay, DSC, the bigger one will come first. Okay, so whenever you think that whenever you completed the for 30 40 problems solved now before you process for the interview, before your interview process, before you are appearing for any this kind of McKinsey or this or any kind of product based or service based companies interview, then you will get a different confidence also that this question I can solve. Anyhow I can take the approach. The interviewer also thought that what is the approach. Somehow at the end some of the technical issue or some of the little bit issue you are not able to get the correct result. That is also sometimes ignored whenever your approach is correct. Okay, so your approach should be good, good one. The interviewer should be pleased with your approach. Okay, so like this this is our 50th question that we are doing. Earlier 49th questions in this playlist we have solved. Okay, for multiple you can see 49 videos is here. For multiple companies interview. Okay, the real time scenarios we worked on. What are the real time scenarios that we are facing in our current days industry level. So Azure Data Factory real-time scenarios also you can go through. Okay, you can go through, you can take the membership of our channel if you want. Okay, so and also if you like our videos, if you think that our videos are yeah, helpful for preparing the interview, for appearing for big companies interview, so yeah, I would request you guys subscribe our channel, Cognitive Coders. Without your support we would not able to grow up, we would not able to grow, grow a bigger community as a big so need your support, help us. And if you think this video is good, press the like button. Okay, so thank you, share and share with your friends this video. If you share with your friends, they also get the benefits of these videos. Okay, so thank you for watching our video. For now, bye.